Okay, let's see what's on sale on here in FRESHCO. Sale. These are on sale as well. Over here, this is on sale. Rice is on sale. Coffee section on sale. French vanilla. Over here. Nescafe is on sale. There you go. And the same thing can be said here. Italian Lavazza is not on sale, but this is on sale. There you go. Starbucks coffee on sale. There you go. More coffee for sale. These are on sale as well. There you go. Okay, these sodas are on sale. The big ones are not on sale, 2 liter, but these small ones are on sale. Let you see, orange Sprite and Pepsi's on sale. There you go. Powder drinks, energy drinks on sale. There you go. This is on sale. I don't know what are these, but there you go. That's on sale. And these bubbly sugar-free juices drinks are on sale as well, that you see. There you go. On the junk food, this is on sale. There you go. You save $1.30 for each. And same thing can be said here. You save here as well. Let's take a little bit here. That's for junk food. You have oil on sale. Same thing with the flour. And this one is also on sale. Robin Hood. And then this one too. So this is on sale. This is on sale today. Peanuts. There you go. This is the meat section here. I'll let you see the prices. Sausages. Stuff on sale. This is more stuff on sale. There you go. There you go. That's pretty much for today.